Okay, working class hustlers, La Machine here with what to sell on Amazon and also workingclasshustler.com. We did a quick trip. As you can see, we're at Ollie's once again. Guys, this is a great place that you can make money. You got to understand, this is so easy. I just picked up somewhere around 50 items. On average, I'm going to make, and this is just an average, guys, about $3 profit per piece. So you can do the math. Easily 150, maybe even 200 bucks just for a quick trip to Ollie's, buying regular items that you can get, like vitamins, like you guys love your Replens. Think about how much people have to buy things like toothpaste. Even don't forget things like cold and flu medications. These things fly off the shelves, guys. Think about every now and then you can even get books. I know a lot of you like to go to your thrift stores, you like to go to your estate sales, you like dealing in used books. There's money in new books. We're gonna make something like, I don't know, 12, 14 bucks on these books. So don't forget, you got things like that. What about things like Fixodent? A lot of times, hustlers, you're wondering when you walk into these stores, what do you need to be buying? Think about regular, everyday products. It doesn't have to be, you know, beautiful, fancy, sexy products like Nintendo systems and Beats by Dre. It can be regular items. You want your Replens, right? These are the things that people use and then they turn around and need again, like Fixodent. So I hope that helps. If anybody has any questions, comments, please leave them. If you have something of value to add, please leave a comment. If there's anything you need, like maybe you want to get ungated in these name brands like Nike and Adidas and Under Armour and stuff, we have all of that. All of those resources are available, and you can contact me anytime using the number on your screen. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, hustlers, so if you enjoyed that insight, but you want to go deeper, if Ollie's is something you really want to learn about, then I have an assignment for you. We have quite a few Ollie's videos, so click on any of the links that you see on your screen or down in the description. We're going to put together an Ollie's playlist, and the reason you would want these if you're serious is because these videos actually go deep into the actual process. In fact, it takes you from what I'm looking at on my phone while I'm in Ollie's, and then we take it back into the studio and show the complete evaluation. Guys, the most important skill that you can learn in this Amazon business is how to evaluate. You make your money when you buy. Selling and everything else is just part of the process. So if you're serious about this, we've got plenty of information for you to really sink your teeth into. Take advantage, and I'll see you in the next video.